Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a card that's part of a set of cards using the 2021 to 2023 brand new in colors. But before we get into that, I wanted to remind you that you have until the end of today to subscribe for the So Cool April Paper Pumpkin Kit. Okay? Just wanted to remind you of that. And also to show you the brand new catalog. This catalog starts May 4th, 2021. I can't show you the inside, but I can show you the front cover. Isn't it gorgeous? Look at this designer series paper. It's so pretty. Yay! Just wanted to tease you with that. So let's go ahead and get started. I want to show you the in colors. This is a little sample that I made that I'm going to put in the catalogs that I sent out to all of my customers. So we have the Fresh Freesia, Polished Pink, Pale Papaya, Soft Succulent, and Evening Evergreen. And I have a sample of the paper, the ink, the Stampin' ink, the Stampin' Right markers, and the Stampin' blends. And this tag punch is the Elegant Tag Punch. It's a brand new tag punch that's coming. And I've showed you a couple of cards already using this. Okay, so that's what I wanted to show you. And we're going to be making a card with the polished pink today. So let's go ahead and get started. I am using the True Love Designer Series paper. So I'm mixing some of the old with the new, some of the current, I should say not old, but some current products with new products that are not out yet. So this is the Designer Series paper we'll be using. We'll also be using the Happy Thoughts stamp set, and I'm going to be using the thank you sentiment from there. And I have all of my papers cut and everything. So we have the polished pink, and this is going to be a mini Slimline card. We have some basic white, and we have a scrap of basic white. This one is for the inside. This is for the sentiment. Then here's our Designer Series paper layers. And we have some more cutouts for in the polished pink. This is using the stitched rectangle dies. So I think this is the second. Yeah, I used the second to the smallest on this portion of the rectangle dies. And this is going to be for layering. I want to let you know that I am using the April 2021 sheet load of cards by Call Me Crafty Al. So I'll put a link below the video so that you can get the dimensions and everything for this project. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is go ahead and get stamping. So we're going to use our scrap piece, and I'm going to be stamping in the polished pink. I'm going to stamp our sentiment, thank you. I'm going to try to put it right in the middle of our scrap piece there. I wanted to get the stamping done first because this is all the stamping that we're doing, but we have some die cutting to do. So let me bring in the big boss. Okay, let me get my plates. I hope you can see this. Oy. And I'm going to be using the scalloped contour dies shown here, the smallest one of the rectangles, to cut out our sentiment. Let me get this lined up. I want to put it in the machine a little slanted, that way it won't have so many bumps going over. Okay. Just run this through. And voila, our sentiment. Let me just move all of this off my desk and I'll be right back. Okay, now that I have that all cut out, we can start putting everything together. So let me get all of the pieces here. So let's go ahead and start with the inside. We're going to layer a little strip of designer paper. This is cut at, I think, 6 by 1. Yeah, this is 6 by 1 inches. I'm just going to put this at the bottom of our inside layer. Go ahead and glue this on the inside. Okay, we have that done. We're going to take our designer paper for the outside. Both of these sides are so pretty. I love the black and white. Little overhang there. We're just going to center this up. I love this little design. It's so pretty and simple. And we're going to layer our last piece. Are you guys excited about the new catalog? I know I am. There are some great products in this new catalog. I can't wait till we can order everything. Okay, that's on there pretty good. So now we're gonna take this and we're just gonna add it. Oh, wait. I didn't cut this quite straight. Where are my scissors? Just want to trim that paper off. It's just overhanging just a little bit. And we're putting it about maybe 3/4 of an inch to an inch away from the edge here. Make sure that's straight. Okay, and we're going to take this stitched rectangle layer and put it here about 1/4 of an inch, maybe a 1/2 an inch, really. Yeah, about a 1/2 an inch up from the bottom of the designer series paper. Then we're going to get some dimensionals and pop up our sentiment. We get 3 of those. 1 on each end and 1 in the middle. Take off those backings and layer it right in the middle of this rectangle. Oh, let's layer it straight though. As straight as Shauna can get it, right? And for our final touch, we have the 2021 to 2023 in color jewels. So we're going to be using the polished pink ones, of course. We're going to put one right here. And I'm using the larger because there's 2 different sizes. And one about right here. And the last one will go up here, about there. Okay. Now let me show you the rest of the colors. So this is the polished pink, what we just done. Then we have the fresh freesia, the evening evergreen, the pale papaya, and the so succulent. These are some pretty colors. So that is all I have for you today. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.